I think it's worth mentioning one thing at this stage of learning FreeCAD. Sometimes it can happen that the panel on the left side becomes invisible because it gets closed. Here we can accidentally close this panel, and I know that beginners using FreeCAD can get confused at this moment. However, we have nothing to fear here. We can open this panel by expanding the View menu. The drop-down menu bar is not visible in the recording, but we expand the View menu, and here we have a section called Panels. We enable the Model panel, and then let's also enable the visibility of the Tasks panel. Another thing is that sometimes a window with various information appears. This window is the Report View. Here we also have a Report View panel, and when we enable it, we get this window, and various information appears there. However, when it comes to this window, I suggest that beginner users turn it off, as this window can create more confusion at the initial stage of learning FreeCAD. Therefore, I believe it's better to turn it off, as it can be a bit distracting. Of course, sometimes this window can be useful, but I think that's at a later stage of learning. Sometimes, when we are doing something and it doesn't work, errors show up in this window. However, I think this can be useful at a more advanced level of using FreeCAD, because at the beginning, when we are learning FreeCAD, the information that appears in this window doesn't tell us much, and when we are doing something and it doesn't work and an error appears, usually a window pops up with information or a warning that something is wrong, and that window that appears that pops up will give us more information and guide us on the next steps. So, if you accidentally close that panel on the left side, don't worry about it, we can easily enable that panel again.